site number 2.
Yay!
I think this is a beautiful spot. It's supposed to get pretty cold this weekend, but we're gonna enjoy the sunset now, cook some yummy dinner, and I think it's time for a beer.
Sounds like a plan to me. Oh, some goodies? Cheers!
Cheers to New York.
Cheers to New York and this beautiful spot.
We ended up chatting with the only other camper just down this road for about 45 minutes, which was really nice. Just get to know them and just talk about life, and it was just a nice interaction. But now it's time to make some pulled pork sandwiches. We bought some pre-cooked pulled pork at the store today, and we're gonna do some side salads with it.
A delicious dinner with a great view.
Time to go through and edit some drone footage and the next YouTube video before it's time for bed. Good morning.
Good morning.
So the friends that we met last night, Steve and Ann, left this painting. I assume it's for the next person to take, and since we saw her painting it, it's gonna go home with us.
It's so cute. I mean, she did a good job. The view's great.
Pulled pork round 2.
Can't beat it, honestly. Ooh. This one might. Look at it.
Found a great temporary spot for the piece of artwork. And and it matches the view. What do you think?
We love it. We love our little surprise piece of art, and we'll remember the fall trip forever.
Nice fall day.
Great fall day. These colors are incredible.
We bought a pack of cider donut ciders in Stowe, Vermont, and they were really, really good. And we haven't found them since, but we found another cider donut one made from New York. So let's try it out. Ladies first.
Cheers, guys.
And after the first couple sips, the Stowe cider is far better, but we'll see if it gets any better with time. Tonight for dinner, we are making some quinoa. We've got some spinach and feta chicken sausages. Then we have broccoli, peppers, and we're gonna soak it all in chicken broth. Let's make a great meal. It's 2-to-1 broth or water to the dry quinoa. Close enough.
Perfect. Gotta feed the filmer.
Tasty and healthy looking dinner just as the rain starts outside. It's been a great day, but time for dinner. That was a pretty lazy day, but it was cold and raining, and we just enjoyed the beautiful view out of the camper here.
Yeah.
It's supposed to get to 28 or so tonight, which will be our coldest night yet. In the Lance 815, and just excited to see how that handles.
Yeah, we'll see how we do, and coffee in the morning is going to take us extra good.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good morning, everybody. It only got to about 31 degrees outside, but we are getting a little bit of snow right now. It's kind of like freezing rain, but let's see on the truck. Here's your coffee while you watch the snowfall.
Wow, it's crazy. It's snowing outside, but it's warm in here.
Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back.
It is absolutely gorgeous outside right now. The sun's peeking through, but it's snowing, and it's just making us really excited for winter and what's to come here in the next couple weeks, couple months. We are planning on spending a couple weeks in Colorado in January, February to do some serious snow camping. So if you have any interest in that, please let us know down in the comments. That way we can figure out how long we want to be there and how many videos we want to make regarding it. But we miss the snow. We loved having it so much last winter, and can't beat this view right here. Best way to enjoy this cold fall morning is with some pancakes. So we're gonna get those fired up right now.
Memory washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue. Losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view.
Oh, I'll take a right.
Sleeping in the
Yep, there's three.
Right. Start with
no
that.
This one
place to
too.
be and nothing to prove.
Yay!
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues.
Let's go for a walk.
Wait! Yeah!
I hope you guys have enjoyed coming around with us as we explore New York. It has honestly been the prettiest state so far, and we have loved every minute of it.
It's probably one of my favorite states for the fall season, and highly recommend it.
The temps are starting to drop, and fall is slowly turning into winter, which means we are headed south slowly starting tomorrow. So
Yeah.
can't wait to bring you along on that journey, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a large day.
We